A meticulous clockmaker in a foggy harbor town accidentally synchronized every bell with his own sneeze, turning a normal Tuesday into a chorus of ringing spells. His apprentice overreacts, blowing a powder puff of chalk into the gears, which somehow amplifies the bells to dizzying heights while townsfolk mime dramatic statues to the sound. A visiting diplomat declares a new time zone, while the mayor hires a courier to deliver imaginary hours to residents. The clockmaker shrugs, insists it was a calibration of human breath, and teaches everyone to sneeze in rhythm for punctuality. By dusk, the town adopts the sneeze as a quirky local ritual and archives the event as the daytime finally breathed easy.